Hi, I'm Suhani, and for my chemistry project, I made bath bombs. So, what's the plan? Well, today I'm going to make bath bombs and analyze the chemical reactions involved in the processes. So, the main ingredients are bicarbonate of soda, which is baking soda, citric acid, which you can find in lemons, almond oil, and essential oil. So the procedure is grease the sides of your vessel with the almond oil, mix the citric acid and baking soda in a separate bowl, add flower petals, glitter, etc. Add in the sweet almond oil and quickly mix it all together. So once it's crumbly but not falling apart in your hands, spoon it into the muffin tray and then press it down firmly into the shape that you want. Then leave it to set for a few days and voila. So that's what happened when I put my bath bombs into water. So what exactly happened there? Well, when the bath bomb dissolved into the water, the acid reacted with the sodium bicarbonate and this formed sodium citrate. We saw this in the fizzing, and the word equation for this is sodium bicarbonate reacts with citric acid to give carbon dioxide, sodium citrate, and water. So this reaction is called a neutralization reaction, and this happens when an acid and a base react to give water and a solid. So the fizzing, when it came into contact with the water, happened because of carbon dioxide that was also produced, just like in a carbonated drink. Thank you. And here are the references.